Hello, Belle. Did you come for dinner? Did you come for dinner? We bought you noodles. This is Belle's favourite place. It's the Thailand restaurant in Epping Forest. We've been coming here for years. And put her here, let her eat there. Put her down, that's it. Belle, there's some here if you want. Yummy? Is it yummy? Mmm. It is yummy. Don't you like that?
No.
How about J2O? Would you like some of this? You want that one? Just a little bit. Come. That's it. Good girl.
She's looking good.
Do you like it?
Bye.
Oh, that's enough. That's enough. Did you like it? That's it. That's enough. That's enough for you. Let go. Good girl.